if you want to connect printer to Redmi Note 15 Pro or Pro Plus, then in that case, what you need to do is you need to go to Settings. Next, in Settings, open More Connectivity Options. And then in here, we want to move to the printing option. We want to open it. Now, once you are here, you can start by going to System Printing Service, and you might be able to detect your printer in here. If you do, then of course you can select it, and it's pretty much all done. Now, if you have a Xiaomi printer, then in that case, you want to choose MI Home, and you can try to detect your printer here. On the other hand, if none of these two options work, you can press Add Service, and then you can search for additional plugin or service in the Play Store that you can see over here, and you want to choose the corresponding one, depending on the brand of your printer, of course, and you might be able to find your printer afterwards with the help of that service or additional plugin. But if this also doesn't help, and the last thing that you can do is you can of course check the manual of the printer, because sometimes printers have their own apps, which usually of course you can find in the Play Store, but still they require you to download very specific apps that are made for specific printer models. So this might be necessary in your case. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.